We'll guide you through how to fix your Streamlabs alert not working in OBS. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Streamlabs dashboard by opening a web browser and logging into your Streamlabs account. Once you're there, navigate to the alert box settings on the left sidebar. Make sure that all your alert types, such as donations, followers, and subscriptions, are enabled. Check that the visibility toggle is on for each alert type. Next, scroll down and look for the widget URL at the top right corner of the alert box page. Copy this URL as you'll need it for OBS. Now, open OBS on your computer. In the OBS window, go to the Sources panel at the bottom and click the plus icon to add a new source. Select Browser from the list and name it something like Streamlabs Alerts. In the Properties window that appears, paste the widget URL you copied earlier into the URL field. Set the width and height to match your stream settings, typically 1920 by 1080. Make sure to check the Control Audio via OBS option if you want to adjust alert volumes within OBS. Click OK to save the changes. To test if everything is working, go back to the Streamlabs dashboard and use the Test Widgets button. This will send a test alert to your OBS scene. Switch back to OBS and you should see the alert pop up on your screen. If it's still not working, make sure your OBS is updated to the latest version and that your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking the connection. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.